Phyllanthus emblica, also known as emblic, emblic myrobalan, Indian gooseberry, Malacca tree, or Amla, is a deciduous tree of the family Phyllanthaceae. Its native range is tropical and southern Asia. In the Buddhist tradition there are many references to the fruit of the emblic myrobalan. Half an amalaka fruit was the final gift to the Buddhist sangha by the great Indian Emperor Ashoka. This is illustrated in the Ashokavadana in the following verses. A great donor, the Lord of Men, the eminent Maurya Ashoka, has gone from being Lord of Jambudvipa, the continent, to being Lord of half a myrobalan. In Theravada Buddhism, this plant is said to have been used as the tree for achieving enlightenment, or Bodhi, by the 21st Buddha, named Phussa Buddha. Indian gooseberry has been given a prominent place in Ayurveda. In ancient India it was believed that ambrosia, heavenly nectar, contained all rasas, thereby, it could impart immortality. In that sense Amlaki and Haritaki stand next by exhibiting 5 rasas. Therefore, gooseberry is considered a rasayana bestowed with anti-aging effects. Enthusiastic investigations on Amla substantiate almost all of its acclaimed properties. It has been identified to be a potent antioxidant, immunomodulatory, anti-stress, etc. Apart from its medicinal use, it also finds an important place in traditional hair and skin care formulations. Its cytoprotective role has been investigated in detail, and for Ayurveda, Amlaki is considered to be a nature's boon. Thank you for watching.